they be disrespected Otumfo na Santemai. Okay, say, bra, Otumfo who say, Okonfo no teaching hospital. Omo emergency we know. He'll Otumfo no project, Konfanochi project. No. Can you tell us on TV that? Yes. Or the G Timanfo Sika. No too far than a beggar. No, this guy is a stupid. But you say I blame President Mama. I blame President Mama. And me can say can you tell her or me say you're sorry waka. Na you're sorry Tiana. Aquano. Omon Pai. Na 2028 Ghana for. Mama NDC anko transe. Can be telling Tina Santima, Mislamu. Musori waka. And I mean, the only letter made them. News of ya, Abba. I just say, Asante Regional, NDC, I hold it so te. And I bet it. Because Mama, I show say, or per se, Kevin Taylor, and make sure say, Otumfo ni Asante, and you know Mukrano, now, how do you compare Mama and Otumfo? Obey Ohenia. Oh no, any dear no, and your young different from Timanfo. Politician who's a politician a dirty game. Mama not Tiono or your politician. Enti Otwidi intro. Otwi ya wese means. Obeshaboni so. Otombisu. Otomfo 2 years ah. Dabi. Na dia intra. Na no be handle o. On na dia swear by the oath. So be di no kwale ache na manfo. Yes. And Otwi di intro enchire nananom. Was the number 2 so. But the mama do to be 24 hours economy. Na onye
you be 24 hours market.
Nursing for from say nurse no be kate nursing. Minya, nyama mama kaso be ye na onye a politician. And you know a politician how do you compare a politician to a chief a chief like Otumfo who the whole world hold in high esteem. And it's a dear not to America now who feel say who have president now we don't feel say your boss Kabano every month they send amano into homo and kwasi akika na aka no now what person we comparison ma your law kan the law na wa bon no enti me party say can tell her additional na me dey mama say Otumfo ni any president mama no tumi no Otumfo tumi so che president mama but Otumfo enya akwa Otumfo oye on the nana Otumfo ye som no president mama eya kwa president mama ye som no president mama tumi no e was expiring date say say can less than 2.5 years or go even next year per once we dey suspect yes by next year no be enfi no office obi enfi no e obi fiso na na so dey on fiso odias office and na no so every time bia no santiman or ne maya almost no fere no who dare you but politician is a mama there at the day the trouble is meboa obi e kan wa now who president who is president to become president is easy I don't know where president constitution says so 40 years asa no pay tax it will be a 2-year president and yes anka ukshen kwadoko sabsabi
kwadonko munyina na o
na officer na dey easy
o matete
o so be no to dia sante ne
chada munyina atete
minya be no to dia sante ne it's a sante ne a privilege mama position is a right right
enyo obi akwa na betimi asomo mensia ho enyo obi na betimi asomo mensia ho na position no a privilege o any people can be through that line no mudi o. But mama position there, any privilege, right? Because we have the right to be president. Yes.
Me more example me to you. So next 2028 me before me go contest. She conform contest elections. Who dey show me who she conform person elections. Be what you want say what mun ya o kai those days. Apalo mun ya so me. O dey say chada money. President
independent for you.
So she among for person president or member president here full. Because if I don't come school that me very well. Now a conference to be mama kujira ko debate and the position you for president because president dey anyone say wo no wadi 40 years na kofa what kofa poll box na kofa campaign na do no sika no kropo no enyo mo musika amount for the support
amount for support yes and the nim pa
so be your 2-4 Jesus Christ ya who want to royal line na for mama o ti ase na no be jaro and between 2-4 and mama 2-4 hu ade or especially between the two, or 2-4 the mama, yeah for 2. Or 2-4 is spiritually endowed. Na namusu de dayo.
Oh yes.
Or oracle. Na mama who. Wada wada. President the only day they say sikano map wa. O dey say na 2 no. On any day they say chilling crap. O your president who we need we are and you chilling there na to me now o teacher post. Because and now we are in temp because only 4 years old. But 2-4 year, who are there? Mama, who are there? 2-4 what spiritual powers? Mama need spiritual powers. On the political powers, no one crap no is limited. The powers no court to create to be the same. But how can election petition? Yeah, election petition to be cast on the president. Yes. Who kasa? No 2-4 kasa ni basa. Hey. 2-4 kasa o kasa wie ba mama kasa it will challenge the court.
Oh yes. Yes.
2-4 kasa you find no court too. Asante 2-4 kasa asante court be na mo de court. I say, it's clear. You know, it's you don't even start by saying that mama is powerful than 2-4. Can we tell our bone? At the end of my church, law, no, mama is not. It doesn't have power. It has people's power. Mama, on your sovereign. Mama is like me and you are constitutional. I'm not going to say, or your president, you're going to
yes.
What I say, the American to be now start to be on useful for 4 years. If you are on the book, put that cramaye. Your pa, you better renew your pa. So I'm not
going to create your song for.
Enti no kemitela shia dia na wa bondodo unim law.
Na lawyer o
hwe kan kwa na ka educate you. Don't ever compare mama to 2-4. Now baba ni age kra na mama na friend 2-4.
Ah, that's I don't know kasa asem no kra.
Now mama ni age ahe. Mama ni 2-4 na we penny.
Na lawyer me
education na mama no 2-4 na well. I'm coming to the grounds. Mama okoni kroma o hele we na hele no o say mama amafu di nechi political patronage
yes
tu na won ntini to wodi nechi mebo a obi a to bibi ka krenti wodi nechi and no ya di ne sire kwa ya ndo no na ka mama obi do no aya because tu na work for 4 years no u be na obo mo opposition it's a must. We are something else. Now share the kingdoms. I'll cry. A chat with here. Or call Brutia. Now, now 2-4. I tell you, Unshono. Said Nana, your money did rough. And then what the government for the sake of politics. Or 2-4 of all people know. Can we tell the general and a mama. I can't shame myself. Say 2-4 shame mama send or soon. How do you form? What do you do for the son?
Him say na to me bia say.
Baby, me come to me no bia come so mama ya me kwa. Onti e no na say.
Na onim say na
to me tell mama.
Na lawyer, onim say na wo to me bia say. Obo betimi at cultural political figure bi say wo every neko e man santimam ha make campaign wa. Ano onim say na wo say.
To me no in a democratic system until sovereignty as you. Sovereignty it doesn't reside in the president too. Sovereignty resides in the people. Constitution is supreme, but sovereignty to me pana. Now president we executive so you
normal say ochina obeba beso asisu edi ni patem be ye matimamufu awu say bi enye kasatente ene atemdidie ene eye nyansa wo
o ma kebitele di motem no hu say be kasa kebitele di atenda obedi matema only three obedi di matem because be tell no law na me tell no wabon
because never do ha hu here
never compare 2-4
say ya dey call politics
now breaking news. Okay, former Chief Justice Sofa Yakufu was resigned.
Hey, Adentia
as Council of State member.
Adentia lawyer. Adentia.
Mameno Transidin who say Mama Mamuno and Koye. Hey, Dedi Kai who say mama mumu woman tentin we see it ase ye ton tentin justice is for say justice is for the MPP people and the MPP for no more justice no for the MPP fraternity because MPP party no ton justice in the sense say who ye MPP now o case pa na ejomu nti ene mama government abai no mama ne hu say MPP appointees nya mu face try nya no yomu as we speak now there is no single MPP appointee blogger obi o support no who is facing law
NDC yes NDC
obi eni ho say okasa odi ntro oye bone o facing law mama no so tena so hu say emwa na mama no hu say kwan fa so yi tokunu no ene ne kwan so a
enye
eti omo koyere na omo ye politics council of state for no echo na omo the politics ye mama no me pene ti mama no rise say on pene because kwan fa so e person use I say treason I say mama no ye kubeka enti no on pene and no vote against him and no ko dia dance mama no
okay so na dia no koyere
o ko dia so mama tema council of state members no I said mama no ba mo mama no say o Twitter mama so trust no say no on to fan call for amote wona omunji lo ndi what is a job no say no it is time no one call council of state meeting that
information ho
mama no jaiko was on some ko sia mo nya yo dom omun ku to president for bia aye ni o medi no menom the president can offer
okay
o dey say it mama no so onye push over until who say emwa no until say my resign and who say baby mama no kono the government of the day no any propaganda any this any arrest or arrest so he doesn't want to be part of a government the abysmal performance of the government over the rule of law so far today justice to how mama feels and what NDC wants
yes
omo no to me judgment come by no jubility you be that since Sami Mumra say case no court na whole party is jubilating jubilating and if you are part of the government who fear the arrest ekoso the woman is a principal woman
yes
and to resign now the problem is that who will fill the vacuum because under the constitution so Supreme Court judge or your former Supreme Court judge to occupy that place. Say former Supreme Court judge na kapene anyway eni me bua because to go anyhow they say no be vacuum because they so comfort no baba Supreme Court judge is now see justice oma pom no so fair any eni me bua any when they say mami we Judge Dawood omraka na no man Sajdo say there's only two former chief justice to occupy and to kono dem yi na fi ho and na powerful bond dey onya former but that's it they say no things aka no powerful bond also powerful bond no asem anything powerful bond asem omo fighting no to the leadership petition it is now that place most of my man to me feel it because adwin papa ni mu a ba for boni automatically must be a council of state member bado they be train about for boni call retirement na so ba for boni be call retirement ending of this year
okay
into okoya na na you be go na ko sheho
okay
that shows
how can you want to say we show simple
it shows how mama is fixing the judiciary
yes
so no sikai no or balancing the books or the MPP apparatus that is exactly what mama is doing and so far akuf away Jesus so far any other type who can say no na do appoint no but so tia na do abai okay that boy haircut or that woman is so principle to say no you not be part of a government or you vindictive yes government or mon kan kware government bibia bukware dan da if judiciary no he believes in say judiciary the weakening through the removal of tekunu no the judiciary have been weakened so I'll say judiciary or proud of and he can be part of a judiciary and then it is so weakened and then she said judges and the judges and you nyam na to be nyako and to be the judges attend by heart and to be judge pressure the case in them jail obi jail
anya ntema we be you afiri ho mama kasa say me
judiciary no atonsum the woman is so proud and opposite prosperity and I so no copy for so actually nyam
okay
the some why emrahene ewe krapem ekropon so ekropon fi ekropon it why emrahene ewe ekropon it thinks say any word dignity and we nyam but this current government there and I resign so ni na table na so I resign drip coordinator also resign
adan
also so for chairmanship really
okay
chairmanship and resignation e bebrebo some of us government is a failure and is losing power and you don't want to be part of a government is losing power because the government have lost focus and by the end of the year no now if you look at the current rating the rating of Mama I saw it whom from 60 something to 50 something 10% a call oh I say and in voting terms no 1 million call and now the refis the MPP nyane ni kakra we winning same MPP 4 million no nya no MPP ko funa koto aba no 2 million amount toro but all the time na MPP na this in charge 6 million na the kakra bia BTS it MPP for na na o koto no o koto a they will get the 6 million plus but NDC for be and trouble
because
ye did job
sanity
and I got for be mu say nada nurses for nurses for emma and teacher for and then farmers and then farmers and then everybody is suffering and then cardless cry
so mu so aboso ka for
and then o minor acidity ase and then economy na by luck nkwa na ekoso and we
how about for susu
yes baby aye tari and then baby aye tari everything is at to forcing it's not forcing or the finance minister in politics or the punish ministers no center cannot hold internet party no there's mistrust and then a lot of about 8 or 9 people want almost succeed in Mama and you know ama obia through ya
yes
force through when say activity also through when say how na do issue and you know sana obia suspicion Mama je so through obia obia suspicion when government made up of suspicious people as a government you know Mama is ruling by people la omunia pe pushing it have can they be effective? By the close of the year, no, the government is going to break down.
You said that man was resigning.
NDC the center cannot hold. All that the NPP need to do, but we don't campaign.
How do you do?
Do you know what NPP should do? Simple. The videos of deception, videos I'm didn't show you propaganda ni anu. Mumu na mumu.
Na se cry ya start.
No, na mumu fanya campaign. Woman, but should concentrate on the party. Now, you mobilize the party, no. You energize the base, no.
Yes.
Not party base, no. And yet the other base, no. Papa, no. Papa, now other base in the Omodi. I'm going to just kakra now. The pen can be a moment.
Now, some so cross and grow from the cross and talk was who more.
Somebody, just get the once the moment I will form a base there is base of money. Talk about sin.
Oh
yes. I see. Say Ghana for and people, a lot of people who don't want to say now. Will say, "Mama, buy that down." And if you knew Mama Kaya oil, and then light bill, water bill, and then Juma, them young quality, my phone Juma. Youth no. Jesus Christ.
Is a fool no crash so do 16 points.
Fool no cost. Say I don't so epiga. What I say? Now no like a June, May, June, July dollar conform. But and just season I cry ma. By then and then season cry ma ponent. Imagine say you do September, October one.
Yes.
Dollar never sell 30, 40, 50. What I say? And you know I will turn it back. Now Mama didn't go real mono. And also say I don't be into obey frustrated. Every time Mama no for the so o me che nam no so ka opposition no o mo say o ye kum agba na be che nam no aso de ketia isa ko de ketia ni say e won say ye cheja no e dey say no no twi no fi aban mu aso de ketia atwe no fi aban mu
so o hwe ono ni campaign na wo ye ne de ne nsam na o kana to say ono aban na nkasa na oni no wo issue pa yes because won say me man she da enko yes
me de matum no because me won say o man ya wo mu no say open money ya obo say dey can no kwalo to do the fact to do me this year me 25 years old.
Oh wow.
Me 25 years as a lawyer.
Wow, wonderful.
25 years in the media space.
Wow.
And I think I need to celebrate it.
Nice one.
Say me celebrate.
Gidi pa.
Me say me consume me mind. Me say me take outreach program in our schools.
Oh okay.
Me who say gay and lesbians in hine wo pa. We need to go speak about that.
Okay.
You know me plan the program for that. And if you know eventually the year 2 years what I say celebrity big.
A big time pa.
No so that all can say me chair dey mo. Oh, no, meaning so much. And I want for him some chair there. Media law for more than 20 years.
Saying in now is saying Grofo no more so jano. Kasa na idea me hwe because and I say media no so any traditional media television radio utimi be on na kan say media I would atem here the first no say usua media law and ethics onyema bi wo ho be very careful untimi Nancy, and the diamond for Nanka Sabi. Lawyer, yes, okay, I know you. Papa, oh, you bet me a customer, bet my show. But Ebia will media no crano, who bet Dumno, won't to be bet entity, media law and ethics. Your who equine. Now, fail you, Shan Niema. Last night, make no movies, I'm so. Me lawyer on a chair, media law and ethics. 80. Dintetiano de ma meaning no me ban ma kan se no kure no de akiro. Oh yes, na ma tell say yes,
who can law no operate defamation law no operate fake news law no operate it is
onkonya issue
na 25 years ma kasa for 25 years also be take me
onkonya issue but no say be obitimi ebie on the Facebook page na otimi nya mic ba ku bi si ho na oso live simis na manfo subscribe to on no page otimi tenase no waka asem otimi fo obi si ho no wadi na tem na say as a lawyer Ghana ha no na sa ne ma no as yen head am funny serious because say as a brochire and am beka wo lawyer wo ho asem e wo de ye twere ayenka ya twere be wo kan a wo kan say de ya twere no it before say kan nipa ne baba betina TV station so or betina radio station so as a host as a san ne ma ni nyina no onya foundation as wonya but no obi katimi kasa kakra bia ye bia TV station na danfo bi na bia enti o ja wo yina kwena no ate otimi kasa pa otimi di atem ene de omo ya no but adwuma wurafo no so mo ba bonten aba be ka mo presenters ni bi e ka mo ba ama bi no kura akọ no so mbekọ so bia TV and mo bia radio
na media
because so be ka me ho asema e say me media law and ethics no a we ni mo be ka me ho asema me take you on.
How many years now? Years now after we media law school? How many years now?
Oh, it could be 10 years.
10 years.
Yes.
And you see, at that time, I'm a better one. I'm a chair there for more than 15 years.
Wow.
Into the journalists, I'm much more dear with Ghana, and I'm to suffer me with media houses.
Okay.
I'm out for into my chair media law and things for about almost 25 years. And now, I said, maybe media 25 years. It's 25 years of constant media presence. We say easy. I mean, yes, family call court, mean a case, and me court. It means that, and all my works are there. And now we see one thing about Ghana, they say, you will be in Koto Award. We don't know that. They said, I'm not for award.
No, what something to say.
Award. Minuma Bachelor. What as a 2011 now, Panaka Kedi Council. I'm one doctorate, I'm on Nami, but then put in Yusu. I'm on Nami 2013, the Minabiku Santana. I'm on as doctor degree, but Yusu because an academic end. Yusu, but I've kept my calm, my impact. Was a Numa Bidi I say, hey, my year was court to the cases, baby. And then I think 25 years, so what I need to do is to go around a lot of my clients. Now I'm coming once again. Him for medical some more.
Yes. Yeah, students now ya found some so and ya ko duru baby no. Yeah, you know say ba. Me go aba.
I'm for him class to for cry you sue me. They don't know. To for cry you sue.
Send no be at no be a lawyer no be the American. No na ka de any dey bia.
Judges are medical some more, lawyers are medical some more, media, a whole lot of things. 25 years of being present, and Obano, my life also a lot of things that I've been able to achieve. You know, and I feel so energetic, and I think say I have to give back to society. What I need to do is to get more lawyers in the system.
Yes,
because who could this 60 plus? You can look young, but your system is getting old.
Yes,
you know, wow. I need to get everything. I have to start doing some foundation to raise the youth and get people on board, raise a lot of human rights activities, and I think some of us will go there. And you know, I'll take advantage of this thing to do courtesy column individuals to sponsor my campaign to get the youth and the students, and then to make sure I do a lot of. I think I have to also go to the rural areas. Na minkoye free legal clinics. Emma inyafo edamako aposo pa amafo bre and media space no dey my bre. I've been in media the news for 25 years. Lawyer Ampaw. Oh, they say I've gone through a lot. You know, my so pressure, my making the necessary impact, and I think baby do know somebody me nyame kasa na nyame mame the next stage of my life. The only thing that I've regretted say my nyosofo
and come be can say as me hu say wo kwa ahomji ma obey so
because any day me mame kai me mame I disappointed me because mame nim say na nyame juma na dem come up so or see lawyer Morris wo dey you wo sofo and we say churches are my churches more than 100 and I saw for Bibri I made that's who more legal advices and who can do mako shake so be in church mako shake in a church when I'm in Koye praise be people who knows me I've gone to impact people Sunyani church LMCT you know and I saw also blessing the power who's the part of me as my call me a lot of churches things I'm in the media and I pray saying I may be because the next move of my life. I'm getting tired with the media. I'm getting tired with the media, and I want to raise a lot of people to represent them. Me coach you know. Me also me now the necessary will bang. I don't say for everybody. You can take up the mantle. You know, because
yeah more when you because
it's not easy to be in the media space. There's pressure. Your family is exposed. You are not perfect. You be better kana. Yes. It for my friend 25 years. He say, "Makabi bi na nkoyi is part of life." The Bible said, "Katanodo edi boni na." Obi akasa bebrebe no. Oh, to be a bibi tweye di tweye. And only the abafusu surprise open. Open say lo pa bibi ayo. Me in terms of life, they want me matching me yellow in between matching media space. No, Bogandam. You know, me stop. That's not me. That's not me. And but you say one thing that I've been able to do. Now I'm so happy about myself. My greatest achievement. In the media space. To be predicted amount 500 Ghana. To be predicted my greatest achievement. In the media space, 25 years in the media, every day in the news, every day trending. Go to Google, Google Ampaw, go to YouTube. Me in corridor station, me but trending 25 years of sustaining media presence.
Yes.
Do you know my achievement? Can I move off Africa Ghana? Okay, I'm breaking the news.
Yes.
My greatest achievement of 25 of media presence who radio station I mean call ye.
Okay.
Even television station I mean call ye. Me news I mean ye. Controversial news, good and bad. Maybe I'm in the movie, and then I've impacted a lot of homes.
Yes.
Ukofia, Amanfo, Ubano. But my greatest achievement is is the things that I know. 25 years see ma keep it a secret. Informations which are damaging.
Yes.
I could have been a blackmailer. And then in the media space, a lot of people stories about people they blackmailing Jessica. And they damaging people.
Yes.
I have them. When you tell me that stories, I mean, I know down to me that. But I have a lot. Kabismat said the dossier. I don't know Oboni say mama. Kabismat. They make Kabismat. Nema be to me nima. I kept this speech. President Mama. Oh. Tuna. That is not what Ghana do. That is what Ghana no. For to the bar for bond so. Consider large judges. The information I have. I know all their secrets. I can hit you like this now. Politicians. Oh, baby, I tell you, I want for the information bao.
Oh, yes.
It's a total not mystery. Asofo. Oh.
And they say buja. Asofo for my
information, evidence in Bremen. Because one evidence of the coach there, Usbempa. That was Asamaja or shaking me say. No, so Ampaw in Papa and say yes. This is the information I have. I could have damaged Asamaja, but I refuse to. Oh.
Sir, lose a lawyer.
And you know, that is my achievement, meaning that I'm carrying a lot of informations and scandals and issues, sir. I've been able to sit on it. That is why I mean so Judge Bia. Was Judge Bia me show di and masere. From Supreme Court judges. Omo mo ni me show Bia na masere. Court appeal me ni ara. Some want to be judges there kitwa kra. No kitwa me ni kra so. They obey this about you. They obey my judgment, third judgment. Osuro tu. Osuro tu. As of all. Politicians have kept it because Juma no a secret Juma.
Yes.
Of any confidential.
Yes. Juma we there.
Information is about when channel doors.
Doors. Yes.
But even with the blackmailing, some of the blackmailers, no, they are blackmailing to me. A plus or a blackmailer or the information blackmailing for.
Okay.
Captain Smart. The chief journalist, me Kevin Taylor blackmailer or mama more information into boom to me. Journalists be a boom piano or Nyama or the blackmailing for.
No lawyer na make say.
And they make money out of it.
Say Ghana.
Captain Smart Abrabominiano, they make money from blackmailing. You share Kevin Taylor, you share Yatiti. The journalists are also mere loud. It is the information they have. But you be no, you have here no. We kept it to ourselves because it will not serve us any good. Me, I will never wish. I don't wish anybody
ana lawyer oni mo
amankwa
lawyer
tio amankwa RTV amankwa enti to be RTV fo no ati mo session mo didi matem na me hwedi yin say amankwa nsura de amankwa so de amankwa
mini
ewo mini amankwa ntem what is amankwa ye bi bo me ko boa amankwa station wa TV o
okay
about 10 to 15 years ago what did I say me fi akra na ba da Anita Hotel be down for Anita Hotel for most 1 year manji 1 cedi manji amankwa 1 cedi the schools no information me woman the lecturers nema kwasa na me bi mo ye the information I have I can't destroy him because he's a young boy we see so the to be amutisa ati sem so no mo destroy me ya because you receive back say ya omo station be close down
omo nentete
na lawyer woni A+ money the kind of information I have about them but you see we are able to comport ourselves and hold on. That is my greatest achievement because for you to have information both damaging good and bad about society Ghana, that is why I speak with confidence. What yeah me be because but when I speak about this do you know how the system is quiet? But they know that I'm speaking facts and evidence. I mean, it's like a dealer. Information me crown ke capital crack obe close Ghana down.
Say unse lawyer. Na me pese me class bi se wonsam a wo kan so. Say me ne onante kakra de ba kwa a mahunu wo ho te say information say de tie bi enya beduru wani ma. Enye beduru wani na wabetra na wo kan ho asem. Obom moden eye cross check na fe no nipa e bia wo ye involved no wabo modern enye ono so ne side of story na what no e say wo kan unim ne wo kan no na make say baby a wo ye adwuma na duru no oni CEOs ne nkasa because it's about time as they Ghana na na ekwakoye wo ka obi hu asem a wan hwe take you on because amanfo bebre ho a e say opesa amanfo hu say ono no so wo information ni bi no obi abetima fa phone no afro ye kura ye bi o won so afro jack ni president si wa ha ye say we kura de many year again wo betu na ma wa connect sa and so TV ni so e ya kwanya no wanya en kire se wonim nyansa se no bi o TV no e jo bi wa sam ba ye na no titi ni gbagbagbagba and ye say lawyer Morris Ampaw wa ye say gbagbagbagba afedi o man say lawyer e na adwen say o ye mnani ni ntino wo so do be fa mra kwan so a wo be kwa koduru court na akopa achew
na unim ba abrakwa when it come to my brother mo mini wo mamplobi soko mambruk sukula bukom Aigbe town Zongo Zamama line those areas are many in Chino will be my lifestyle no it's difficult to handle no kwa because my share grandfather lifestyle so can you ban over kwa would you care didn't want them so you can bad kwa or starting when you say no one fair
yes
when you say sana me tenti me life no never be exposed in Yamaka that what makes me dangerous in Ghana me you know big maka about me the information ya me decide a kind say man am peda amaka kwasa dey am kan dey no ntimi no enti na kamitela o what kamitela so jagum so ntimi only information
yes
me you can't get information about me because whatever is my weakness no I've been able to disclose it in humility many delay kwa ye show na I thought about for the matter message so they know me free my mind it's making me powerful because once I've been able to tell me my weakness and then in there but what I know that can damage me I've discussed it into who the back so that is why now who's me pamu mobo
yes
into be so jagu so who to be handle me
say cases in BSc I mean the program you we normal friend na machire say omosere ya na ya dey was
Etina say what can't Ghana ha no omomro mo ase mo so nsam wo mo ho there's no perfect judge there's no perfect
judge
every judge bia na so won ho
ani pa bia won na nso
etu judge a na kai say say the Bible do kai say nia onye bone da no
onto bo mu abayeye
on to send anas supposed to buy then him say judge bi di aponche ne bayere
aponche kra sesen
so the men we need know some of the things that's what our judges do
nka jibens kai na ko jabo chede
think of imprison people but then nya Bible say I bone and the men nyama boy that is why you must always have that thing in mind it meet we bibi na ma poso so bibi tu obi a me kai bra me wife wu ye no there were people who came to my funeral and they were jubilating and say jubilating but it's like a tunnel.
Yes.
Lawyer ewu. Nirevu. Me agasa me na phone buza fu e brother fu phone me na fu no. E ye na se na e bi mu yeska wo me ye na se. E di kusi se mu didi me. Na me ti odi na me hwedi. Me na atumi o.
Ye china me tumi atu.
E na o sa dom no when say Yesu ije fu ne bu. Mi riba uni ni mu na me ti odi. Epu aso ti ribo. Sorry wo mi su. Famisi imagine kwa kosi se eja ruru fami so tudi na ni so atame na me hwa amanfo a mo be ye na se no mo de edidie du onom na kokonza ene we kuni yere ene antiti ni yere ye o mo keke kwa asem ye no so be de na aba oh I know 2 months pa ne o ma sati o ma mi wu no mo se se wu o de aze no mu di ba instead of to be mo no and me who say hey say asem to obia don't rejoice that is why I'm saying on authority at this program anybody who rise against him to me in jubilation jebe to
na lawyer nkran ka me say
we be need to be so bad you want to go through no wo dia no na any ability adwumbo na mutie ya o mutie adwumbo na mutie adwumbo bo yema dwunya na practical class ko buy no to say when just be na government they are not sat down to say independence of you I say president mama ni NDC and the DC na no pe bia mo nkomo chere beautiful no
na no tell you be on
the beautiful from here the way can pe bia politicians and judges any police for na dem hospitals
ma ko hwe se de ni party bia tie
you will be okoba pa na
mon ko emergency
no lose me see at times you go to accident center and now to life accident so ubo se nipa nsashi
no mo ba mo nam wiem no mo fa kwan so mako mu
vanity upon vanity there is vanity you are chasing nothing
hudie
higher
hudie
nipa be trust you ebi be di dey o mu ko so mo nya ba ko ya ntomu di o
no
be no president man me odi ni hinu no give yourself Ghana at 100 so say Ghana bi ahin 70 60 ahin 69 o bo next Ghana be 70 Ghana at 100 for 30 years eke president mama age ho 30 years eke president mama age wa na president mama kodi 98 and Ghana at 100 no who will remember president mama the generation ever woman no say na you be wa ya me to nkruma and now before nkruma no you be say ba before nkruma today you bo mu dia mu
pm
mama
okay no menim no onbody dey kura me tene sa keke hu ni da disanity
la ni papa me mana ma wo mo no omo wa omo kan se baba krabe tenase
David
e de be to be mi na Ampaw Ampaw me mana ba wo mo no omo mama omo kan be bi
na omo kan akoye
to be to ya ti komu a na so je gu omo fo so no ya pa omo fo jeli e bi ase no go ene lumba
oh wetwem enye no nwum ne wo system na nke yen kan no
ene Professor Thomas Professor Mama dia ka koyobia ka ondri Professor Mama ho because Thomas you were in the vice no film and at time that you know I look at the environment I say look this is the president and not to for the kemu na gana to me adi ni atonyom police suade o it of to for kai no embre
Yendikaso. Allah mami fa we ntwem ansa na ye bekọ ayi na ye kọ nsem ya wo kan time aban sisan ya NDC for ba abanwa no so na omo sha asese omo de omani esi ye chama wuntu yenya MPP phone bia omkotena radio stations TV stations etimi di chama wuntumi atem etimi kan si so say eni nkwan say MPP for as party e ko support chama wuntumi na onye nsika na odi no wankai obia na meditasa fo urade ase sesa bere wonye nkume na metiase na omaye omadwen say binom bepe position e wa MPP mu Asante Regina na gise mimi kofi gise mawu lawyer mesro every Sunday ko next week ko ye show na dey ka 10 minutes before some magashi be ba e afama
me be mo mejama
na me wasan krofo no wa
mejama
e ye boot for me
mejama
said your motena se o mo kan my bia na adwen so o pe first vice chairman e wa MPP na wa Asante Regina
mejama
next week obe family
because
ebasa wonye leader because we party member ho aka na wutimi tena afidie so kase member obi support na ye maye opanyina ababo aye
utie ni panse hwe enche ni dimia yen kwa ni yensem ye fi akra no we can guarantee tomorrow
yes
into me I live my life on the daily basis and ne no dom up to now meeting komo I can guarantee ochina
yes
so me koyi me ko dano ayowo nyame adomi na be nyane me
yes
ti je kra okodi as chema untumi asem so no oda pa wawu ade ti asa no hu say o judgment bi tro o di ase and the way you in 3rd July yenim ya be si Ghana e oje ni obeba bibia o nyame nsem enti no I believe say ye hu say ye nipa na ye hu nipa mobo ni ye kai nipa na ye hu say enche na ye di mia obi ama ne hu ma ne nye wo de na nsiri obi ama ne hu because whether you like it or not Bible say nipa oba wo no no ni miriswa na mama ne hu doso obi a be kum ni obi efu mu bia no man ne would because we be ba
yes
e bia wo no ene no eye wo say ugina ho Bible say ni ugina ho no o hwe yi na wan hwe ase ene o ye president ene obada di hine ene party abafo into ka hope na wo de jeli da be jeli hu mu no e be jiwu anu aduane fi usem e be ji nkon fi mu no so wo ye pass ya za Bible na kan ye no so because be sorry no say me wo bibia nyame me wo bibia me di anu so me ji nkran fi usem intene tumi na yi kra no ye fa nya de pa
yes
ye fi hu di pa mobo ye kai de bi say tumi no e be fi nsem
yes
ye trust afewo nipa be yi bi mo be yi bibia me Bible no say nyame kan ye
yes
on boy ho ban on hwe ye so edifi ba o man ye fu de ntia ye ba asase so ye ba asase so wo nyama mienu enti de di kan na so that is summing up the commandment. Love God, the God, thy God, and then love the man. Na udonya umpe unia bone
yes
udo nia
onye
bone na sa dwabone na wodwe no susu nyame be tobo no
oh yes
o ti ase se wuti wona wodwe adwembone na otwem na nyame be dobe no shaking together press down nyame dia maw three foot
good
te mitiwe ya me pese bone be mama kwemu no de bia me dwi adwempa me dream papa me dream papa me pese me dream bone na bone a me dwi am obi no e be pa me so three foot na me kaya ho no hwe so
amen
na oma dasane omiye ye se mbadim eti fo no hwefo
ye do mo nyina